Hi, Namaste children. Welcome back to your social studies class. Children, in my previous video, I given those questions and answers of your 11th lesson, that is people who help us. I hope you are all understand that exercise part, and also you are written those all the questions and answers, fill in the blanks and match the followings in your textbook and in social CW. If you are not completed, please complete them, and when your parents get free time, that time you can come with your parents to the school and you can take the signature of me to your CW, social CW, and textbook also you can bring along with you when you are coming to school. If some children they are not in Agribomnalli, they are out of the Agribomnalli, outstation students. If you can't come to the school, please take a photo of your notebook. After completing your notebook, you take a photo of your questions and answers or textbook photos and send it to my WhatsApp number. You know my WhatsApp number already. So just forward those all the images to my WhatsApp number. So you will do it. For that there will be marks, you know it already. Those who are sending and those who are getting correction of your notebook, for them will be there marks. Notebook correction marks will be there. Those who are not showing, you will not get your marks. So be aware of it and come to school and show your notebooks. Let us go to the next lesson, 12th lesson, that is local bodies. Local bodies means what they are and how they are functioning. Let us go to that lesson now. Please look at your screen. Yes, local bodies. You know that children, India is a big country. Our population is more than 135 crore right now. At present, it means 135 crore people are living in India. Okay, and here we have more than 2,50,000 villages. 2,50,000 villages. More than 2,50,000 villages we have in our country. So it means by seeing that you can tell that India is a country of villages. It is a country of villages. So many villages are there. Here, to take care of the villages, we have a system. To take care of our villages, we have a system. So that is considered as local government or local body, we call it. Okay, to develop our local areas or to develop our villages, so we have a system. It is called a local body. In that local body will be there elected members. They are going to work for the development of that village, and they are going to work for that village to come forward. So they are local bodies. Local bodies are nothing but they are the local governing bodies. The local governing bodies are called as local governments, we call them. And you see here, in each local body you can go there, there will be some members, they will be elected from their local people. There will be in the villages will be their villagers. Those villagers are electing their leader. And how they are electing them? They are going to, sometimes they are going to, orally they are going to elect them, sometimes they are going to put vote and elect them. But now at present, our election system, we have there that voting system. We put vote. Sometimes electronic machines we need to use in the election system, and sometimes we are going to use ballot papers. It means election ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾರನ್ನು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಪೀಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಶೀಟ್. ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಶೀಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಪುಟ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ in that election who will get highest number of votes from the villagers, that person will become the member of that local body. This is called election system. Here in your textbook they clearly mentioned that the process of choosing people is called an election. The process of choosing people ಅಂದರೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯನ್ನು ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋರನ್ನು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ಸನ್ನೇ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್. In the village level, if they are small villages, there will be village panchayat. Okay, village panchayat it will be there. So it is the elected body of that village. You know that children, panchayat, this word itself, it gives us that information. It gives us that information. It is the body of 5 members. Pancha means 5. 5 ಜನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಂಚ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದೆಮ್. ಸೊ these 5 members together, they form the panchayat. 5 members, elected members of the village together, they form panchayat. It is. The word panchayat comes from the word panch. Panch antakanta word ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ, which means a group of 5 members. And these 5 elders solve the problems and they are respected by all villagers. They are the people, they are elected by villagers, they are going to solve the problems of the village, and also they are getting respect by all the people of that village. It means all the village people, they give respect to these 5 people, elected people. And here these 5 elected members are there. No, in those 5 elected members, one will be head. He is considered as head of the panchayat. ಓಕೆ, ಜನರಿಂದ 5 ಜನ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಜನರಿಂದ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಆ 5 ಜನ ಗೆದ್ದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಅವರು ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್. ಸೊ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಪಂಚ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಧಾನ್, ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಸರ್ಪಂಚ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಧಾನ್. One more thing, you keep it in your mind, children. Only men will become members of panchayat, Guruji? No. Even women also, they can become members of the panchayat. Anybody can, men or women. Without women, we cannot form a panchayat nowadays. Because of our Indian constitution rules and regulations, in each panchayat, there must be women. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. Their participation also, it is very, very important nowadays. ಸೊ ವಿತೌಟ್ ವಿಮೆನ್ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ವಿಮೆನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಗುರುಜಿ, ಹೌ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಯು ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ವೋಟ್ ಟು ದ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಪುಟ್ ವೋಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್? ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಮೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್. ನೋ, ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ವೋಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ members. Then who will put vote for them? So people, those who are reached their age 18, okay, those who are reached 18 years of their age and crossed the 18 years, it means at least you need to complete your 18 years of age, then only will get that opportunity to put the vote for the members. ಅಂದರೆ 18 ವರ್ಷ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ನೀವು ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕೋವಂಥ ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲಿಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ರೀಚ್ 18 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಏಜ್. ಅಂದರೆ 18 ವರ್ಷ ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲೇಬೇಕು ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ದೇರ್ 18 ಇಯರ್ಸ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ವೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಪವರ್. ವೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಪವರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 18 ಇಯರ್ಸ್. 18 ವರ್ಷ ತುಂಬಿದ ಮೇಲೇ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು ದ ಐ ಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಡ್, ವೋಟರ್ ಐ ಡಿ. Then with the help of that voter ID, you can go to the polling booth. There you can poll the vote. Then you can see here star fact, it is there. The Piplantri Grama Panchayat of Rajasthan. In the Rajasthan, there is a Grama Panchayat in the village. Its name is Piplantri Grama Panchayat. It has got President's Award in 2007 for giving maximum facilities to its villagers. Every year our central government it is going to observe this. In India, which are the panchayats they are working very well, and which are the panchayats they are providing all the facilities to the villagers, that panchayat will be awarded. Like that in 2007, this Piplantri Grama Panchayat from Rajasthan state, it was awarded from President. On that day, President will give them a award, and it means a shield or something they will give them, and appreciation letter they will give to that Panchayat heads. So like this every year. If your Panchayat, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವರ್ಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, ದೆನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್. ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್, so to encourage them to do the good things and to encourage them to provide the facilities to the people, they are going to award them. And now you told that, Guruji, people are going to put vote, they are electing their leaders. After electing leaders, they will become the panchayat members, and one head of the panchayat is called as Pradhan or Sarpanch, we call him. Head of the panchayat is called sarpanch. Okay, this is all going, it will be completed now. After completing this, what are the duties of this panchayat? Why we want panchayat? You may have this question in your mind now. Panchayat ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಗುರುಜಿ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So panchayats are going, they are going to do some certain duties or functions. Which are those functions? They listed out here. What are the duties of panchayat? Village panchayat. Village panchayat. In the village there will be village panchayat. It is taking care of the village. And what are all the duties it is going to do? You can look at this. Here you can see the village panchayat takes care of all the needs of the village, and one by one they listed out here in this page. Okay, look at this. It works to keep the village clean. Panchayat's duty is to keep the village clean. For that it will appoint some workers. Every day morning they will come to clean the roads and all public places in front of the temples, on the public roads, and everywhere they will come and they will just sweep. ಕಸ ಗುಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. They will be appointed from this panchayat, village panchayat in the villages. Second, it arranges drinking water for people and electricity for roads and street lights at night. So it provides drinking, pure drinking water for the villagers. It is its duty. It is village panchayat's duty is to provide the drinking water to the villagers. And one more thing, they are going to provide electricity for roads and also street lights. On the road there will be night time. We cannot play without light on the roads, public roads. ಕತ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ತಿರುಗಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. There may be sometimes insects like snake, scorpion or something. That time what we have to do? We need light. So that street lights facility to be taken care by the village panchayat. It means village panchayat is going to, if any street light is not working properly, immediately we need to give that information to the village panchayat. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಲೈಟ್ ಹತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಡೈಲಿ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಅದು ಹತ್ತುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅವ್ರ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಅದು. ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಓಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಗೆಲ್ಲಿಸಿರೋದೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ, ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿರೋಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, immediately we need to inform to the panchayat. They will come and they will repair them. Next, here third function you can see, it also helps to run the dispensaries and control diseases in the village. Dispensaries are nothing but, children, they are hospitals. In the village there will be village level there will be a hospital, small hospital. Okay, that hospital will be taking care of the villagers. So whether it is running or not, that doctor who will be there in that hospital, whether they are giving treatment to the people neatly or not, to check this that one. So panchayat needs to work. It needs to work on it. It means it is going to take care of the hospitals, and also it is going to control the disease. Like corona time, that time in the village, government it announced the lockdown. That time in the villages who were taking care of the villages at that time? So village panchayat people, they were taking care of our village. In the village they were taking care. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇರೋ ಥರ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಯಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು? ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಿಲೇಜ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯು ಸಿ, ಇಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ by running primary schools. It also runs special schools for adults who cannot read and write. In the village level there will be a government school. In that government school, whether teachers are coming or not, or all the teachers are there or not, whether they are giving education properly to the village children or not, and drinking water facilities for the children in the school, and toilet rooms and all the facilities for the school children. So these are all the things to be taken care by the village panchayat. Primary school running or not, that is also they are going to check it. And also some special schools for the adults. Adults are nothing but aged people. Already avarige 30 varsha 40 varsha agide. If they are small children, they will go to school. but they are 40 years old, 50 years old, but they don't know how to write, how to read. Where they can go? They can go to school, but not common schools. They can go for special schools, and these special schools will be running by the panchayats, village panchayats. Okay, special schools will be running by the village panchayat, and primary schools will be taken care by the panchayat. And last one, the village panchayat also settle disputes among the villagers. It means in the village anybody they fought each other, fightings will be taking place, no, in the villages, common they are. At that time, village panchayat and its members, they are going to solve the problems of those villagers. Disputes we call them. Disputes are nothing but they are the problems. Which are the problems are taking place in the village, those will be solved by the village panchayats. And village panchayats appoints a grama sevaka or sevika. Lady means sevika, sevak means we call them, if he is men, we call him sevak. It means male person is called sevak, female person is called sevika. ಗಂಡು ಮಗ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸೇವಕ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಸೇವಿಕ. What is their duty? Their duty is to clean the village, sweeping, cleaning, and in the panchayat they will be working, and after that water supply, in that they are going to work, and collecting bills, bill collectors we call them. Like this, there will be so many workers in the panchayat. These will be appointed by the panchayat. It means heads of the panchayat. They are going to take care of the village. Now, here for the village people, what are all the facilities they want village people? It is the duty of that panchayat to provide those all the facilities to the villagers. It means ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರಲಿ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ಗೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕ ವಿಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಯಾರ್ದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ದೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. And also he or she also gives advice about health matters. Here in the village panchayat there will be so many workers, they are going to take care of the different aspects. Somebody will be working on that water supply, somebody will be working on that bill collection, somebody will be working on that electricity supply, street lights and all, cleaning, okay, health and hygiene, and all these things will be taken care by the village panchayat. These are the duties of village panchayat. If they are not working properly, you can immediately give complaint to the higher officers. Guruji, in our village there is a panchayat and some street lights are not working. I given complaint to them. Still they not repaired those street lights. What we can do, Guruji? Then you have the ways and other ways. What you can do? If they are not following your instruction, or if they are not going to accept your instruction, then you can go to the higher officer. Will be there taluka panchayat, above the grama panchayats will be in the village level. Then in the cities, what will be there? In my next class I am going to teach you that one. So small villages, village panchayat will be there, it is taking care of the village. And in the big cities, what will be there? So in our next class we can discuss about it. Okay, so you can go for the higher officers and give complaints about the panchayat members also, it is possible. Okay, so I hope you all understand this village panchayat and its duties. If you have any doubts, you can call me and ask about your doubts. Okay, take care children. I will send one more video later. So about cities, what type of local bodies will be there in the cities, that I will tell you.